Welcome to the validity page of Research Engineer. Validity is the utility, interpretability, and accuracy of a given measure or outcome. Validity as a concept has been greatly debated in the literature, but in its most basic applicable form for applied psychometrics, it is the evidence that shows that the scores rendered from a survey can be interpreted and applied in an accurate fashion within a given population of interest. The process of establishing validity for any survey instrument or outcome is always an ongoing and dynamic process. It never ends. Survey instruments and outcomes need to be constantly revalidated and recalibrated in shifting and changing populations and subpopulations. Validity is heavily grounded in empirical reasoning and in the empirical literature. The construct that you're measuring for has to have some sort of theoretical or conceptual basis that exists in the literature. The evidence of validity is obtained through a tedious process of mastering the content areas related to the construct, and then being able to construct a reliable survey instrument, finding survey instruments or measures that are theoretically or conceptually similar to your construct of interest, testing your instrument within a population that you're interested in, and then establishing what the consequences and utility of those survey instrument scores will be. There are 5 types of validity evidence. The first one being test content. The second one being the internal structure. Third being the psychological processes that individuals use to respond to survey items. The association with your survey instrument and other outcomes and measurements that exist in the body of literature. And then the consequences of test use and interpretation of scores. Research Engineer will primarily focus on the second and fourth type of validity evidence. Scrolling down, here are the methods for conducting and interpreting various types of validity coefficients in SPSS, as well as an explanation of each one. There's construct validity, concurrent validity, predictive validity, content validity, known groups validity, convergent validity, divergent validity, incremental validity, face validity, and then finally the methods for confirmatory factor analysis. Click on any of these buttons to continue.